Hello everyone, welcome to all. I am Abhishek B, second semester MCA, DOS in Computer Science, Manasa Gangotri, Mysore. We are discussing about artificial intelligence presentation of an IT company. That is TCS. TCS means Tata Consultancy Services. These are the contents. Introduction, founder of TCS, CEO and MD, history, vision, mission and values. TCS services. 13 facts on how 13 industries use AI. Introduction. Tata Consultancy Services is a provider of information technology services. It provides a wide range of services including business consulting, information technology, business process outsourcing, infrastructure and engineering. The company operates in Americas, Europe, Middle East and Asia Pacific. The company is headquartered in Mumbai, India. The company is a part of one of the India's most respected, first and the largest software research and development center in India, software exporter in India. First company in the world to be assessed at level 5 for integrated enterprise wide CMMI, capability maturity model integration, and PCMM, people capability maturity model. Its group Rs 1641.8 billion Indian rupees, March 2021. TCS started its operations in 1968 and pioneered the IT services industry out of India. Founder of TCS, J.R.D. Tata. J.R.D. means Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata. He was born on 29 July 1904 in Paris, France. And F.C. Kohil, Fakir Chand Kohil. He was born on 19th March 1924 in Peshawar, Pakistan. CEO and MD, Rajesh Gopinathan. He was born on 1971, Thrissur, Kerala, India. Rajesh graduated in 1994 with an electrical and electronics engineering degree from the Regional Engineering College, Tiruchirappalli. In 1996, he obtained a postgraduate diploma in management, PGDM equivalent to MBA, from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. He joined the Tata Strategic Management Group in 1996, where he worked on multiple assignments with Tata companies. History of TCS. Tata Consultancy Services Limited was founded in 1968 by a division of Tata Sons Limited. In 1981, TCS established India's first dedicated software research and development center, the Tata Research Development and Design Center in Pune. In 1985, TCS established India's first client-dedicated offshore development center set up for client Tandem. In 2005, TCS became the first India-based IT service company to enter into the bioinformatics market. In 2006, TCS designed an ERP system for the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. TCS entered the small and medium enterprises market for the first time in 2011 with cloud-based offerings. May 2013, TCS was awarded a 6-year contract worth over Indian rupees 1,100 crores to provide services to the Indian Department of Post. July 2014, TCS became the first Indian company to cross the rupees 5 lakh crore mark in market capitalization. Vision, mission and values. Vision: to decouple business growth and ecological footprint from its operations to address the environment bottom line. To grow sustainably and help our customers achieve sustainable growth through our green solutions and service offerings. Mission: to help customers achieve their business objectives by providing innovative, best in class consulting, IT solutions and services. Values: integrity, leading change, excellence, respect for the individual, and fostering an environment of learning and sharing. TCS services: IT services, asset based solutions, global consulting, engineering and industrial services, IT infrastructure, BPO. 13 facts on how 13 industries use AI. AI's footprint is rapidly expanding. We surveyed 835 companies from 13 industries across the world. Of these, more than 80% already use artificial intelligence. First one, improving product and service quality is most important for our companies. 58% use AI in the manufacturing function. Toyota and GM are investing in developing driverless cars. Second one, BFS companies believe AI is crucial to their ability to compete. Building AI system that cannot be hacked is a key success factor for BFS. Circle Up uses the technology to determine which companies to fund. Third one, CPG companies primarily use AI in sales. More than half the companies use AI in this function. Kraft Foods app suggests customized recipes to shoppers. Fourth one, energy is a leading adopter of AI. 100% of the companies use the technology. National Oil Well Varco has automated the oil extraction process with AI. Fifth one, healthcare and life science use AI to improve the business. 57% of the AI budget is used to enhance the business rather than transform it. Berg Health uses AI to undertake research on prostate and pancreatic cancers. Sixth one, high-tech companies use AI to detect and prevent attacks. 80% use AI in IT. Qualcomm uses AI in its chip for Android smartphone to block malicious software. Seventh one, industrial manufacturers view AI as important to competitiveness. 51% use the technology in core manufacturing. At Donnelly Custom Manufacturing's Minnesota plant, robots remove from a conveyor belt and stack them, count finished products and pack products for shipping. Eighth one, insurance spends the most on AI. The average per company spend was $124 million in 2015. AIG invested in a startup that is developing advanced analytic software and wearables to improve employee safety. Ninth one, developing a system that makes good and safe decision is key for media and information companies. 36% use AI in marketing, finance, and strategic planning. Spotify uses deep learning technology to determine which acoustic elements of songs make them interesting to listeners. 10th one. Retailers say AI will have the biggest impact on sales. 31% predict a beneficial impact in this function by 2020. The North Face uses AI to provide personalized shopping advice. 11th one. Telecom generates the most value from AI. These companies had 20% cost reductions and a 25% revenue increase in areas in which they used AI. Telefonica's multi-sensory geolocation solution provides users with the most accurate indoor location. 12th one. Travel, transport and hospitality aims to help customers get more value from their services with AI. By 2020, TTH will allocate 52% of the cognitive budget to transformational projects. A robot brings items from the lobby desk to traveler rooms at two California lot hotels. 13th one. Utilities spends higher than 11 other industries on AI. 0.53% of their annual company revenue was dedicated for AI initiatives. NL Spa uses machine learning to pinpoint faults in its grid. Thank you everyone.